Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a happy memory from your childhood. Please, you can start.
Yes, the happiest memory in my childhood was when I first time stood first in my class. So it was a day when we were on a trip, or you can say a picnic, in a nearby funland, and we all were sitting having lunch. And my professor, a message peeped up on my on my teacher's phone, and he suddenly said, "Where is Aksa?" And I was like, "Sir, I'm here." And then he said, "Where are your friends?" I said, "They are with me." So he said, "Why don't you congratulate Aksa?" And we all were astonished, like, "Congratulations about what?" Then he said, like, she stood first in the class. So my friend just started hooting, and they all came to hug me, and we were so happy and excited. Then they all wanting a treat. They were all wanted a treat from me, and things like that happened. And it happened in a park. As I said, then when I came home and told this to my parents, they always so proud of me, and it was a moment of achievement for me as the hard work paid off. So and also I got many things in the form of gifts.
Okay, you spoke for 1 minute 3 seconds. So try to elaborate further. And when in actual exam, when examiner stops you, then you should stop.
Okay.
Overall, it's good. There are minor grammatical mistakes which are related to tenses. Minor, not major. Overall fluency is good. Pronunciation is very fine. You're using a variety of words as well. So it's good. Now we go on to speaking part 3.
Yes.
What do you think is the first moment of happiness that people remember?
I guess it depends from people to people, and it's not an exactly a moment when you start remembering things. It depends with age for different people, but I guess it depends upon the intensity of the moment, like how happy you were, or how frightened, or how worse the experience was. So it depends totally upon the moment that people start remembering
Okay,
from the
what
age.
kind of things do people need to remember nowadays?
Nowadays, the life is so hectic and busy and so fast, so people remember many things at a time. So they have to remember their deadlines, their login information, the passwords, the addresses, or meeting timings, and according to the trend, they have to remember birthdays of their
Okay.
friends too.
Okay, what can people do to improve their memory?
To improve the memory,
Their memory.
yes, they can do a lot of things. There are many brain puzzles, many exercises that help you improve your memory, and also there may be reading books and reading good content and not wasting time and scrolling and all that. So the things like such as scrolling and useless activities, like, block your brain with extra space, like they cover extra space that should be covered by memory, that should be occupied by
All
memory.
right, thank you. Overall, it's very good. There are just minor grammatical mistakes, but the way you are speaking, with this type of speaking, you can easily achieve 7 band. In order to achieve 8 or above, you need to brush up on your English grammar, sentence structure, especially compound and complex sentences, right?
Okay.
Thank you so
I
much.
need to connect the sentences.
Yes.
Okay.